Hello everyone, my name is Ethan and I am 12 years old and today we're going to be making a giant vegetable patty. So the things that we need are chopped cabbage, chopped tomato, minced garlic, and also chopped onion. We also need blended mushrooms. I use shiitake. We have salt, pepper, 1 teaspoon of soy sauce, and 1 teaspoon of oil. 2 cups of flour, 1 egg, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and a mixture that I made with sage, cumin seed, paprika, oregano, thyme, and pepper. To be exact, cayenne pepper. I made 2 of these for 2 things I need to make, which is the filling and the dough. 200 milliliters of milk, and that's all that you need. First, in a large bowl, you need to place in your 2 cups of flour, you also need your 2 teaspoons of baking powder. You also need your mixture. You just place it on. Then you place salt and pepper to taste. So it doesn't matter how much you place, unless you don't like that much salt. So I just place it on and I mix it together. As you can see, it's all mixed. Then now you need to make a well with your spatula. But then first, before you place anything in that well, you need to open your egg. And you need to break it. After you break your egg, you need to place it in the well that you made with your spatula. Like this. Oh no, it's good. Then you place your 200 ml of milk. And after you do that, now you just mix it together. Oh. Until it turns into a dough. It looks like this right now. It's still clumpy. If it's smooth enough, you could do it with your hands. But, oh no, that's bad. Okay. Yeah. I'll just wash my hands really quick. So after you make it, your dough, now let's move on to the filling.